Road or whatever passes for road, it's you, the canopy, the birds, the butterflies, and it is one hell of a ride.
We are here, Tour of Andaman, Edition 1, our maiden event, and we are so excited. And it's raining, and we are supposed to enter this reserve area where we are going to see these Java tribes, and we are really excited.
Came to this Java tribal reserve where vehicles are allowed in convoys. They're not allowed individually, so armed police escort that comes with vehicles. It was an amazing experience driving through this pristine jungles. This is one of the places where the jungles are still like as they originally were, lots of beautiful trees, and we saw some of the Java tribals who were still standing on the side of the road with their spears and some of them in their full gear. So it was an amazing experience to see that.